Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kayla, and in today's video, we're gonna be talking about 3 common reasons why you may have trouble falling asleep at night and getting good quality sleep, and also what you can do about it. So if that's you and you have trouble falling asleep at night, then stay tuned. Now there are many things that can lead to sleeping problems, but these are the 3 that I find to be the most common when working with clients. All right, let's jump right in. So the first thing that can lead to sleeping problems is low magnesium levels in the body. Now, I recently did a video on the 7 common signs of a magnesium deficiency, and in that video, I talk about how some studies actually suggest that up to 80% of Americans are deficient on some level in magnesium, and even a minor deficiency in this very important mineral can lead to major sleeping problems. The reason for this is because magnesium is known as the relaxation mineral in the body, and the reason it's known for that is because it helps to relax the nervous system, the nerves and the muscles in the body, and it puts your body into an overall state of relaxation. So when you don't have enough magnesium, it makes it more difficult for your body to get into this relaxation state, which can ultimately interfere with your sleeping. In fact, I personally believe that pretty much everyone can benefit from taking a high quality magnesium supplement for a period of time, and there's several reasons why I believe this. For one, the soil is not as nutrient dense as it used to be, but also caffeine and stress deplete magnesium levels in the body. So personally, what I do is I will take a supplement called Natural Calm, and I do it about once or twice a week just to make sure that I'm maintaining my magnesium levels. And let me tell you, when you take a good quality magnesium supplement, you will sleep like a baby. And moving on to the second thing that can lead to sleeping problems, and that is that your cortisol levels are too high in the evening. So what is cortisol? Well, it's a stress hormone produced by your adrenal glands, and in the right amounts, it's a good thing. In fact, your cortisol levels should be their highest in the mornings. That's what wakes you up and gets you going, but they should gradually fall throughout the day, with the cortisol levels being their lowest in the evening. But when you experience a lot of stress in your life, and I'm not just talking about mental stress, you know, nowadays we're experiencing the stress of an autoimmune disease, hormonal imbalances, and even the environmental toxins that we breathe in every single day. All of these are stressors on the body, and it can actually throw your adrenal glands out of balance, which can ultimately interfere with the cortisol production. So when your adrenal glands get out of balance like that, it makes your cortisol levels flip-flop. So your cortisol should be highest in the morning, but instead it's the lowest in the morning. So it makes it more difficult for you to wake up and get going. You have low energy levels in the morning, and then what happens is that your cortisol levels, when they're supposed to be low in the evenings, they're the highest. So you're wide awake. If you find that you're wide awake at 11, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning, it could be because your cortisol levels are too high. And you can actually order tests online that will measure your cortisol levels throughout the day. If you do feel like this is the root of your sleeping problems, I will list a couple of the labs that I use in the description box below. So what are some things that we can do to help lower your cortisol levels in the evening? Well, for one, you can include healthy starchy carbs with your dinner. Now, I know this goes against pretty much all diet advice out there. You know, everybody tells you avoid carbs at night, but here's the deal. Studies have shown that when your blood sugar levels drop too low, your body has to produce cortisol to bring those blood sugars back up and into balance. So if you find that after eating a very low carb dinner, you're wide awake at night, try including some starchy carbs with your dinner. And I'm talking about, you know, sweet potatoes, plantains, butternut squash, things like that. And it really doesn't take much, you know, maybe half a cup of sweet potato. And do that and see if that helps you to fall asleep faster at night. And another thing that you can do to help balance your cortisol levels so you're super energized in the morning and, you know, your body is relaxed and ready to go to bed in the evenings is just to support your adrenal glands overall. So you can do this by lowering the stress in your life, including starchy carbs at dinner like I just mentioned, and taking certain supplements that are specifically going to help to strengthen your adrenal glands. And that would include, you know, things like adrenal glandulars, vitamin C, pantethine, and even certain adaptogenic herbs that help to strengthen your adrenal glands, which is ultimately going to help to balance out your cortisol levels. And the third thing that can lead to sleeping problems is too much blue light technology in the evening. So we're talking about everything from televisions to laptop screens, smartphone screens, anything that emits a blue light studies have shown that that can actually interfere with your melatonin production. And melatonin, of course, is the sleep-inducing hormone, so it puts your body into sleep mode. So if you start to interfere with melatonin production, then of course it makes sense that you're going to have sleeping problems. So I suggest that you turn off all blue light technology at least 2 hours before bed. All right, well that is it for today's video. 3 common reasons why you have trouble falling asleep. If you enjoy this type of informational video, be sure to give this one a thumbs up so I'll know to make more like it. Comment below. And of course, if you know someone that has sleeping problems, share this video with them because it could be a total life changer. Believe me, when you don't get good quality sleep, it can really affect your entire day, your entire mood, all of that stuff. If you've had trouble sleeping, you know what I'm talking about. All right, share it with somebody that you know. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button below for more healthy recipes and contents. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.